Hey there, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. If you're looking to recomp your kitchen or just want some fresh ideas, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the modern kitchen designs ideas that can transform your space into the stylish and functional hub of your home. So start it. First up, we have open shelves. This is all about the combine practically with static ditch loose bulky cabinets or stick open shelves that can be left on display and beautiful dining area and cookware. It's a great more open and airy feel in a kitchen, making some space look bigger. Plus, it's a great way to add a personal touch to very connective items and plants. Next, let's talk about the bold black splash. A splitting black splash can be a focal point of your kitchen, whether it's a pattern tiles, metallic finishings, or vibrant colors. A bold black shelves are add a personality and flair. It's the best part. It's easy to update and make it big impact. Two-tone cabinets are the range right now, pairing with different colors or finishing from upper and lower cabinets can create a stunning contrast. These design stick can be depth and character to your kitchen. For instance, you can combine a soft natural tone on top with the darker bolder shade below. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your kitchen style. If you prefer a clear, a clutter-free look, a minimalistic designs might be go you. Think like surface, handless cabinets, and integrate appreciates. This minimalistic approach focus on the functionality and simplicity, making the kitchen feel more spacious and organized. Smart stone solution can be huge of different in the how your kitchen functions. Think pull out the drawers, hidden cabinets, and vertical storage. These innovations help you maximizing space, reduce clutter, and free everything within easy reach. Perfect for small kitchen and awesome who loves to stay organized. Lightning it's just a functions but also it's a design statement like ning features like pendant lights or candlelights add a touch of elegance and suspicious to your kitchen. For those who loves the specialty, we use eco-friendly material is a give away to a kitchen that's a both stylish and responsible. Mixing and materials are trend here. Okay, and there we have it, some amazing kitchen designs ideas that can transform and inspire you in next model. Which was design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest update from us, and share with your friends and family members. So we will see you in next time in next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Thanks.